guys, today we're going to make flatbread. Only requires 3 ingredients. All right, let's do this. 1 cup of our flour. There we go. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 and 2. Okay, just mix this up. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Give this a mix. Okay, get your hands in there. Let's form a ball. Just lightly kneading this. Doesn't take very long for the ball to form. Feels good. Throw down some flour on our counter, just a little bit. Just gonna roll this out a bit so I can portion it. There it is. Now let's take this and let's divide this up. Back on the counter. And with these guys, I'm gonna form a nice ball and let's roll this out. Okay, let's cook these up. So here I have my cast iron pan. I got the heat at almost medium on a low heat. And then let's cut some butter on. Smack this on. See it rise? Ooh, let's flip that over. And flip. Ooh, that looks delicious. First one's done. This time I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic to the pan. Toss that on. Let's let that cook for a couple minutes. Give that a flip. Here it is. Our ugly, not round flatbread, but it's gonna taste fantastic. It smells so good. Make sure you put the garlic on. It's so good. That's all you need to do to make a delicious homemade flatbread. Check out some of these other awesome recipe videos as well. And please support us by hitting that subscribe button.